Hi guys, thanks for clicking this video, and in today's video I'm going to give you a walkthrough tutorial of exactly how to file your LLC and get your EIN number in the state of Tennessee. And this whole process is really only about 5 minutes. It's super fast and easy, so click the link in the description below. That way you can follow along with me. At the same time I'm doing it on my computer screen. You can follow along and do it on your screen as well. I've seen a ton of videos on YouTube that are really long as far as like getting your LLC. They have all these chapters and they're like 30 minutes, 40 minutes long. You don't need all that. I have no idea what they're doing. I'm telling you, this is super fast and easy. So again, click the link and let's just get right into it. So it's gonna take you to the Taylor Brands website. And I like using Taylor Brands because it just makes it, like I said, really fast and easy. So you're gonna click Tennessee to start. And now you're gonna type in the name of your business to make sure it's available for an LLC. So I do eyelash extensions on the go. Okay, we're just gonna hit next. And then what stage are you currently in with your business? Just select whatever applies for you at the moment. And what industry do you fall into? So for me, I do eyelash extensions. You're gonna see if you type in a letter, so many different options come up and they get really specific. So you can more than likely find your category. Here it is. And then what is it that you're offering? You're either providing a physical good or a service or both. So for me, like I mentioned, I'm providing a service, but if you happen to be doing this one or both of these, you can select that. And are you planning to hire employees? So let's just say, you don't have employees, you file your LLC, and then you decide you do want employees. That's totally fine. It's not gonna change your LLC at all. You won't have to refile anything. This is just asking where you are at the moment. Okay, so now you're gonna type in the zip code either of your business or you can do your home zip code. So if you don't have a shop or store, you can use like your home address zip code. And then where are you serving customers? So you're either selling online, which could be like e-commerce or some sort of website, brick and mortar, maybe you have like retail, a shop or store, or you're on the go, like mobile, real estate agent, maybe landscaping, something like that. So I'm gonna be clicking on the go, and let's just say at a website, I could click this too. So click all that apply for you. And today I want you to click LLC, so it's highlighted in blue, and then also EIN. So your EIN number is basically like the social security number of your business. So you're gonna need it when you file your taxes, and you're also gonna need it if you open a business credit card or a business bank account. So at some point down the line, it's really important to have, and you're gonna need it probably within the year. And then I love that Taylor Brands offers all this other stuff in one place. It's like everything business related in one spot. So maybe you need like a license or a permit made, or you want a logo design. They can do any of that for you. So check off whatever you need. But today we're just gonna do these two here. This is just a survey asking what we've done so far. We can skip it, and you discover Taylor Brands through YouTube. Okay, Taylor Brands offers a free 12-week business coaching program. I love this, it's free. I feel like if I can learn something that helps me make more money, amazing. So take it if you want, skip it if you don't. And now you can just enter your personal information. And create a password. Okay, and again, what they're asking here is, do you want Taylor Brands to help you get your EIN number, or do you want to do it on your own? So if you choose to do it on your own, you can do it through the IRS website. The IRS website only allows you to file it Monday through Friday. You can't do it on the weekends. And I just feel like government websites are kind of outdated and difficult to navigate. I would rather not deal with it at all. So for $99, Taylor Brands can do it for me. Pretty much me clicking this button is all I have to do. It's one less thing to worry about, so I feel like it's completely worth it. And as far as assigning a registered agent, so a registered agent is basically a fancy word for who is going to receive your mail in regards to the LLC. So if you live in Tennessee and you're opening your LLC in Tennessee, you will be your own registered agent. Now, if you live in a different state and you're opening it in Tennessee, this could be for like tax benefits, maybe your accountant has suggested this to you, then you will need to appoint someone that lives in the state. But 99% of you guys are going to be this option here. You'll appoint a different registered agent, which will be yourself. And every single year, you need to renew your LLC. So if you forget to renew it, you'll have to pay a bunch of late fees and fines. So if you think that you can remember to do it, you can handle the compliance. But again, it's really important that you renew it. You will get like notified in advance. But like I said, if you forget to do it, you'll have to pay fines. If you think you'll forget and just want one less thing to worry about, Taylor Brands can do it for you every year for $199 a year. So something to consider. I'm going to hit no on the branding toolkit. And this is just saying we can get our LLC expedited to us in 2 days. It's only $49. For me, I love it. I'm like, I want it as soon as possible, 2 days from now. It's great. If you don't want to pay that $49, you can get it in 2 weeks. And you don't need to worry about an operating agreement. So click, I'll figure it out myself. And you guys, real quick, just look at this blue line up here. I want you to see we're like 75% done. So let's just keep going. Would you like this formation kit? I'm going to click no. And you guys, this is a great service that Taylor Brands offers. So let's just say, you know, maybe your system for being organized with your finances and bookkeeping isn't really where you want it to be, or you don't have a system yet. They offer a program where they can get you super organized, you know, where every single cent is going in your business. And they have a free trial if you want to check it out. They'll give you some price plans at the end to see what works for you. Or you can select to do your books and invoices on your own. And yes, we'd like to get notified about our LLC. Okay, and they offer 3 different plans. Feel free to check out what they have to offer. But for the purpose of this video, just LLC and EIN, we don't need to pay anything extra. So let's get this light plan. And now it's going to show a breakdown of what we're paying for today. So the Tennessee state filing fee is $309. That's just the mandated state fee no matter where you file your LLC. We're getting that free business coaching program and then paying $49 for that 2-day expedited filing. So this will be your total amount for today. After your LLC is filed, then you will be charged for your EIN number. So LLC is processed first, then EIN. So don't be surprised when you see the second charge come in. That's just creating your EIN. Okay, so now you're going to enter your credit card information. After this, they're going to ask you your address and some other information. When they ask for your address, since I'm mobile, I always put my home address. If you don't have like a specific business address, you can use your home address. I promise you're not going to get bombarded with like spam mail, junk mail. I never have. They just contact you in case they have any questions or need anything from you in regards to your LLC. But if you have like a shop or store, you can use that address as well. But you guys, that's literally it. You've just filed for your LLC and EIN number. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. I'm more than happy to answer. And I wish you guys the best of luck in your business, and I will see you in the next one.